Hey guys, I'm Lesson Gonsalves and recently I got to know of a very good business opportunity which can be done by housewives or students. This business idea doesn't require any initial investment and can do this easily from your home itself. So go check out Meesho, India's #1 reselling app. I've given the link in the description below so you can download this app from Google Play Store and also check out their official website. I've also given some video tutorial links below which will help you a lot in this business. So join me and 1 lakh plus people who are earning money from home using Meesho app. You can also use my referral code LessonG299 and get a discount on your first order. Hey all food lovers and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you how to prepare Tendli Pickle. Tendli is also known as ivy gourd. So let's move on to the cooking process.
Wash and wipe the tendlis and cut lengthwise into 6 pieces. Use tender tendlis for this pickle. If the pickle are red from within, please discard them. Use oil and vinegar up to your discretion or preference. Avoid overcooking the tendlis or else it will spoil the taste of the pickle. Kashmiri red chillies give nice vibrant color, but if you don't have them then you can use other varieties of chilies. Rub salt and leave in the sun for 1 or 2 hours or 1 day. Discard if any water is there. Grind red chilies, garlic, ginger, fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, black peppercorns, cloves, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, salt, sugar and vinegar. Ground until uniform and smooth paste is formed. Add little water if required. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add mustard seeds, curry leaves and asafoetida. Once they crackle, add the ground masala and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add the sun-dried tendlis and mix well till the tendlis are nicely coated with masala. Cook for almost 5 minutes on low heat or until just about tender. Do not overcook the tendlis. Allow to cool. Once cooled down, store the pickle in an airtight container. Cover the pickle with the rest of the oil. Place out for 8 to 10 days and then keep in the refrigerator for longer shelf life.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. Till then I will see you all next time in my next video. And you can also check out my Instagram and Facebook page. I have given the link in the description below.